Wonder Kids Movies.
Today, we're going to explore the forest with Deer and learn more about him. Are you ready? Then let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite animals ever, deer. They're super cool, and I can't wait to share some awesome facts with you. So, let's start with what deer look like. They have beautiful, big eyes, long legs, and, my favorite part, antlers. These antlers are like nature's crown, and they're used by male deer to show off to the ladies and also to defend themselves. Did you know that there are many different kinds of deer? Yep, there are white-tailed deer, reindeer, moose, and so many more. Each one is special in its own way. Now, let's talk about how deer move. They're super fast runners, and they can jump really high too. I bet they'd win every race if they competed in the Olympics. Oh, and let's not forget about their diet. Deer are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They love munching on leaves, grass, and even flowers. Now, deer live all over the world, from forests to grasslands to even snowy mountains. They're like the globetrotters of the animal kingdom. Oh, and one more thing. Deer have amazing senses. Their ears can swivel around to listen for any danger, and their noses are super sensitive too. So, deer families are called herds. Just like how we have our families with parents and kids, deer families have moms, dads, and babies too. They live together in forests, grasslands, and sometimes even in snowy places. In a deer family, the moms are called does, the dads are called bucks, and the babies are called fawns. Isn't that cool? The moms take care of the babies and teach them how to find food and stay safe from danger. The dads help too, especially by protecting the family from other animals that might want to harm them. Sometimes, deer families go on adventures together, like searching for food or finding a new place to live. And when it's time for the baby deer to grow up, they might go off on their own and start their own families. Isn't it amazing how deer families stick together and take care of each other, just like we do? Next time you see a deer, maybe you'll think about their family and how they love each other too. Have you ever wondered about deer and how they've been around for a super long time, even in ancient times? Let me tell you a bit about it. So, way back in the ancient days, like when dinosaurs roamed the earth, there were already animals that looked kinda like deer. They weren't exactly the same, but they had some similar features, like long legs and maybe even antlers. As time went on, these deer-like animals changed and evolved. They adapted to different environments and climates, and they got better at finding food and staying safe from other animals. That's called evolution. It's like a super cool makeover that animals get over many, many years. Nowadays, we have lots of different kinds of deer all around the world. Some live in forests, some in mountains, and some even in snowy places. They've changed a lot since ancient times, but they're still just as awesome. So, isn't it cool to think about how deer have been part of our world for so long and how they've changed over time? I want to tell you about something super cool, deer hibernation. Did you know that some deer take long naps in the winter? Let me tell you all about it. So, when it gets really cold outside and there's not much food around, some deer go into hibernation. That's like a super duper long sleep. They find a cozy spot, like a hidden place in the woods, and snuggle up to stay warm. While they're hibernating, deer don't eat or move around much. They kinda just chill and sleep the winter away. Can you imagine sleeping for months? It sounds pretty awesome, right? But here's the really cool part. While they're hibernating, deer's bodies do some amazing stuff to keep them safe and healthy. Their heartbeats slow down, their breathing gets really slow, and they use up fat stored in their bodies for energy. It's like they have a built-in survival plan for winter. Then, when spring comes and the weather gets warmer, the deer wake up from their long nap, feeling all refreshed and ready to explore again. They go out to find yummy food and enjoy the sunshine. Isn't it amazing how deer can sleep through the winter like that? Get ready to learn about deer and how they're like the superheroes of nature. Let's find out all about it. Okay, so imagine this. The forest is like a big, wild party, and guess who's the coolest guest? That's right, the deer. These guys are like the rock stars of the forest. They strut around with their fancy antlers and munch on leaves like they own the place. But here's the thing. Deer aren't just here to look cool. They've got a super important job to do, and that's keeping the forest healthy and happy. It's like they're the guardians of the greenery. So what do deer do all day? Well, first off, they're like the gardeners of the forest. They munch on plants and grass, which helps keep everything in balance. It's like they're saying, "Hey, plants, don't grow too crazy now." But wait, there's more. Deer also help spread seeds around. Yeah, that's right. They're like nature's little seed delivery service. They eat fruits and berries, and then they wander around and, do their business, and voila. New plants start popping up everywhere. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do deer ever cause trouble? Well, sometimes they can be a bit naughty. They might nibble on farmers' crops or accidentally bump into someone's garden. Oopsie! But hey, nobody's perfect, right? Overall, deer are pretty awesome creatures who play a big role in keeping our planet happy and healthy. I hope you enjoyed learning about deer as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more fun facts about animals. See you next time.